Introduction. Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your ultimate destination for everything bike-related. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Apollo X6 125 cubic centimeters, a dirt bike that continues to dominate the off-road scene. With its combination of power, agility, and affordability, the Apollo X6 is a solid choice for riders looking to experience the thrill of dirt biking without breaking the bank. Let's dive into the details of this impressive machine and see what makes it stand out in 2025. Engine and performance. The heart of the Apollo X6 125 cubic centimeters is its air-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine that delivers a respectable amount of power for its size. With 125 cubic centimeters of displacement, this engine produces enough torque to handle tough terrains and steep inclines. The manual 4-speed transmission allows riders to have full control over their gear shifts, making it an ideal bike for those who enjoy an engaging riding experience. Whether you're hitting dirt trails or racing through open fields, the Apollo X6 provides smooth acceleration and consistent performance. With a top speed of approximately 55 miles per hour, 88 kilometers per hour, the Apollo X6 is fast enough for thrilling rides while maintaining stability. The kickstart ignition system ensures a reliable start every time, even in challenging conditions. Its carbureted fuel system keeps the engine running efficiently, though riders should expect minor adjustments for optimal performance in varying climates. Frame and suspension. Built for durability and stability, the Apollo X6 features a high-strength steel frame that provides excellent support and longevity. This bike is designed to withstand rough conditions while keeping the rider in control. The front telescopic forks and rear monoshock suspension ensure a smooth ride by absorbing shocks and bumps on uneven terrain. With a solid suspension system, the Apollo X6 allows riders to push their limits without feeling every jolt along the way. The front suspension travel of 750 mm and rear suspension travel of 320 mm provide ample cushioning for aggressive off-road riding. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or tackling jumps, the suspension helps maintain stability and rider comfort. The lightweight frame, weighing around 176 pounds, 80 kilograms, further enhances handling and agility, making the bike easy to maneuver through tight turns and technical sections. Braking and safety. Safety is always a priority when riding off-road, and the Apollo X6 doesn't disappoint. The bike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, providing reliable stopping power. Whether you're riding at high speeds or navigating through tricky terrain, the responsive braking system ensures you can slow down or stop whenever necessary. This is especially important for beginners who need extra confidence while learning to ride on unpredictable surfaces. The dual-piston front caliper offers increased braking power, allowing for quick deceleration without losing control. The rear brake, while slightly smaller, complements the front system effectively to create a balanced braking experience. Riders can confidently take on steep descents, muddy trails, and gravel roads without worrying about braking performance. Tires and handling. One of the standout features of the Apollo X6 is its knobby off-road tires, which are designed for maximum traction and control. These tires grip well on dirt, gravel, and even muddy trails, allowing riders to maintain stability in various conditions. The 19-inch front wheel and 16-inch rear wheel setup contributes to better balance and maneuverability, making it easy to handle tight turns and challenging routes. The lightweight design of the bike also adds to its agility, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced riders. With a wheelbase of 52 inches, 1,320 mm, the Apollo X6 offers excellent cornering stability while maintaining quick response in tight sections. The handlebar positioning provides a comfortable stance, reducing fatigue during long rides. Additionally, the grippy foot pegs and reinforced levers enhance rider control, making technical riding much easier. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Apollo X6 not only performs well but also looks stunning. With its sleek bodywork, aggressive styling, and modern graphics, this bike has a bold presence on the track. The available color options cater to different preferences, ensuring riders can choose a style that suits them best. Additionally, the ergonomic design of the seat and handlebars provides comfort during long rides, reducing fatigue and enhancing the overall riding experience. The high ground clearance of 13 inches, 330 millimeters, gives the bike an assertive stance, while the reinforced plastic body panels add durability without adding unnecessary weight. The graphics package is updated for 2025, featuring bold, race-inspired designs that stand out in any riding environment. The exhaust system, positioned for optimal airflow and minimal heat exposure, adds to the bike's aggressive look while providing an exciting exhaust note. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. The Apollo X6 is not only powerful but also fuel efficient, making it a practical choice for riders who want to enjoy longer rides without frequent fuel stops. With a 1.24-gallon, 4.7L fuel tank, the bike balances performance and efficiency. In terms of maintenance, the Apollo X6 is relatively easy to service, with readily available parts and a simple engine design that allows for quick repairs and tune-ups. This makes it a great option for riders who prefer a hassle-free ownership experience. Routine maintenance includes oil changes every 10 to 15 hours of riding, chain adjustments, and brake inspections. The air filter is easily accessible, allowing riders to clean or replace it without extensive tools. With basic upkeep, the Apollo X6 remains reliable and ready for adventure at any time. Who is the Apollo X6 125 cubic centimeters for? The Apollo X6 125 cubic centimeters is an excellent choice for a wide range of riders. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first dirt bike, or an experienced rider seeking a reliable off-road companion, this bike delivers a satisfying performance. It is particularly suited for those who want an affordable yet capable dirt bike for trail riding, practice, or even casual competitions. Its lightweight design and easy handling make it a fantastic entry-level option for younger riders transitioning into the dirt bike world. For youth and smaller adult riders, the Apollo X6 offers a perfect balance of size and power. The 32-inch seat height ensures that most riders can plant their feet comfortably on the ground, adding to confidence and control. Parents looking for a starter bike for teenagers will appreciate the manageable power output and reliable construction of this model. Final thoughts. The 2025 Apollo X6 125